Hey guys, it's JB again. Today I have another saber. It's Pete's ASP, which is Adaptive Saber Parts by Saberforge. This is his creation for his son, actually. So this is his son's creation. This is this switch section, emitter section, has a Graphics inspired grip, mini grip section right here, which is pretty cool. The LED retention screw is actually behind this grip right here, which is cool to have it hidden. And the blade retention screw is right here in this area. This is not very sharp edged. I mean, it does have a little sharpness to it, but it's not as bad as the Acolyte that I did recently. It has really nice windows right here, which look really cool when the blade is in, and also a vertical window right here. The switch section is pretty basic. It has a texture to it as well as the body, and the pommel is Reliant pommel, and everything is weathered. This has a for the internals. This has a NBv3. It has a green, white tri-cree LED, in-hilt recharge port, and I included the kill key by Adrian Town, which was my last one. It has a black momentary switch, goth 3D chassis with a 2-watt bass speaker. As far as sound, it sounds pretty deep. The resonance is pretty good, especially on the first font, which is pitch black. His son requested to have 2 custom boot ups with these fonts, which is pitch black and the Graphics Force Awakens. So let's fire it up and see.
What is your will, my master?
And that is Starkiller from the Force Unleashed 2. So here it is. It's really bright, very loud. Resonance is always pretty good. And this is the Graphics Force Awakens HD.
Come get it!
With Finn. And I forgot to mention that everything was lined up perfectly. The only thing that he can mess around with is the pommel. But everything is set up the way he wanted it, which is lined up like this. Everything is perfect the way he wanted it. So let's test it out with a blade now. There you go, it's pretty bright. You got the flicker intensity not set to a high number. I have the clash and swing sensitivity upped up a notch. And here are the windows, and that look pretty good with the blade or a blade plug. It's a nice flux finish, pretty deep windows. The flash on clash comes out pretty well on the blade.
What is your will, my master?
Hey Leah! Come here. That's my dog. Yeah, so that's pretty much it to this saber. I'm going to have this sent out to you, Pete, once I complete your Prism install on your Reliant. Thanks, guys.